present there before 6, on or before 6 p.m. 6 p.m. or it's before. That is called specified time, not later than a specified time. The time that you have given, you have come in time, not later. In that cases we use time, we use by 6 p.m., by 3 p.m. Okay. During means ki? During means throughout a period of time while something is going on. Suppose in your school tiffin time has started. So if someone asked what are you doing during tiffin means the time that is prepared or that is used to take tiffin at this time is called tiffin time. So in that cases we use during tiffin. How many times or while suppose you are reading something, so you see a picture at the time. So if you see or if you say that I saw the picture during my reading, so while I was reading or while I am reading, then I see it. Okay, so that is called during. In that cases we use the preposition during, means the time that is a period of time, that is called a period of time. During summer, suppose summer is stay in West Bengal for May June or April May. Okay, for a period of time. How many time? March April. So that is called during summer. During winter, that is short period of time and it is fixed. That time is, in that cases we use during summer, during winter. Let's see since. Where do we use the preposition since? Point of time. If a time is pointed and the time is definite, fixed, in that cases we use since. There is a difference between since and for. I just describe about for after that. So the difference between for and since is indicate the time that is definite and for is used if the time is indefinite. Okay, point of time we use since if the time is definite. Let's follow the example. He has been living here since 2009. Look, 2009, it is definite. The time is definite. How many days ago or how many years? 2009. So that's why since we use since before it. Okay. Next, see where do we use for, and you will be clear. For, where do you use for? Point of time indefinite. In the preposition since we discussed that since also used as a point of time, but when it is the time is definite. Likewise the example since 2009. 2009 is a particular year. Time is mentioned here. Time is definite. But where do you use for? He has been living here for, here is a mistake, for 5 years. For 5 years. So here the year is not mentioned. In which year? 2009, 2010, 2014, 2009 to 15. There is no mention here. In that cases we use for 5 years, for 2 hours, for 5 minutes. Okay. But it is not mentioned the exact time. In that cases we use for. Let's see within. Why do you use within? The preposition within. to mention a time. Within a certain period of time, একটা within is used to mention a certain period of time, in a short period of time, within a few minutes, within a few days. Okay, that is called certain period of time, short period of time. If it mention a short period of time, if it mention a less time, in that cases we use within. I will do it within a few minutes. I did it within a few days. Okay, rest part of the preposition or others types of preposition I will be discussed in the next class. Okay, thank you.